The Egyptian team Al Ahly has reportedly made a decision regarding the potential signing of the former Chelsea star Hakim Ziyech ahead of the FIFA Club World Cup. The Red Devils would face Lionel Messi's Inter Miami, Portuguese giant FC, Porto, and record Brazilians champions Palmeiras in the revamped FIFA Club World Cup. The draw was completed last week and since then the Egyptians juggernauts have been linked with the plethora of superstar names who could potentially strengthen their squad for the global spectacle which will be held in the United States of America next year. Earlier this week, Cristiano Ronaldo was one of the players touted to potentially join Africa's most successful side ahead of the new look competition, but an Al Ahly executive poured cold water on the speculation. Now, Moroccan international Hakim Ziyech is rumored to be the interest to the club of the century. The 31-year-old is alleged to be unhappy as the Galatasaray and Al Ahly has been suggested as the potential landing spot for the Netherlands-born attacker. However, according to the Il Walen, the North African outfits are not eager to sign Ziyech. The source within the club informed the Egyptian publications that the record CAF Champions League winners harbor no intentions of entering negotiations with the 64-capped international because he is currently earning 51.8 million a season, which is beyond the club's budget. The same source is also reported to have said that while the club hopes to fulfill the head coach Marcel Koller transfer desires ahead of the club, they are unlikely to pursue high-profile signings mainly for publicity. Instead, they will focus on recruiting players who can be seamlessly integrated into the squad. That's it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video.